everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tara. Welcome. I've been busy. I just wanted to add some more color and some more of my pieces to my storage bins here. One thing I have to say about these storage bins that I got, these towers, they hold a lot. Now, I was able to put most of my Dooneys, most of my Vera Bradleys, and most of my Kipling all together, hanging out, having fun. I'm going to be setting up, there's my carpet, I'm going to set up my new table and chairs my son got for me so we could tape a little nicer. And I thought I'd show you guys before I put the table there. The table's gonna go right there. But look at this beauty. Wow, right? There is so many items on here. I can't even count. I lost count. I was at like 110. And then at the start I was like, forget it. We don't count our bags anyway. So this is my new wall, guys. I don't know when this video will load. My phone is having really bad technical issues. I think it's time to upgrade. The volume is going up and down. I mean, the lighting, it's been bad. I need to update. So, don't know when it'll post, but this is going to be the new wall. I hope you guys enjoyed. I want to say a special thank you to all my new subbies. Welcome aboard, guys. I hope you'll enjoy. I am the crazy bag lady, or as I'm known in my family, the crazy bag lady. Yeah, because I love handbags and I've incorporated most of my collection. I don't think I have any Coach on here. I also collect Coach and also Patricia Nash. I have a couple of, I want to say, Brighton bags, a couple of lug bags. I mean, it's a lot. So I'm just kind of sticking to these three for now. They are mostly featured here on my channel, although I do have a Coach playlist, guys. If you like, go watch. But I will also put the playlist of all the different looks I've had in my wall decor. I actually had my son bring up the last thing I was using for my wall, and it is so dwarfed by this. You can't. It was so funny. So yeah, these big guys are really nice. I did take that shimmer off of it that I had put on for Christmas. I think I'll add another color, but something that's more matte so you guys don't get that shimmer. And I so hope you like it. So this is the setup for now. Let me show you how I have my other accessories. I can show you right here quickly. This is a basket. Got it at a thrift store. In here is all my pieces that I use for, let's say, Patricia Nash and not Patricia Nash so much. I think I have my Vera Bradleys in here. Kipling. I think that's it, yeah. No, I moved my Patricia Nash. Yeah, that's right. And then this is how I keep my stuff clean. I get asked that a lot. This is just a basic brush, dollar store. It has really sturdy bristles. I just go around, dust, like so. I think I have like 3 of these all over. I'll keep that in there so I can dust this. But yeah, so this is where I have, what I say, Vera Bradley and Kipling pieces that I'll use when I do my what's in my bags. I like to have them handy. This is the setup. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, guys. I am going to be doing a lot of new things for February. I hope you like it. So please, if you haven't already, come aboard. Hit that subscribe. And thank you to everyone for the love, the support. Thank you. And let me zoom into Barbie. Barbie is the most popular thing on my wall. There she is. Yes, that is an authentic Dooney and Burke Barbie collab that they did. So there she is. I'll see you guys. Thanks. Bye.